Hey, girls and boys. So, are you super excited to start helping Bob with his candy business? I hope so, because I am. All right, so let's get this party started. All right, so let's review for just a second. We've got right here 10 pieces of candy. Okay. Now remember, he can put 10 pieces into a bag. All right, so I'm going to show you like a bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's one bag of 10. Okay, one bag of 10, or you could just say 110. Right? So we had 10 pieces of candy. Now we have one bag of 10 pieces of candy. Now, the thing is, we don't have enough of these yellow pieces or bags, but we do have a ton of these. Okay, so one bag of candy is going to be equal to one of these because you can see it's exactly 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you should have a bag of these with you in your math materials. So take it out. Okay, it'll include these and some yellow ones. Okay, so you want to take that out, and also I'll show you what you need from your math packet. Okay. All right, so boys and girls, even before we get to the math packet, let's just try one together, okay? So let's say that Bob has a friend, and I don't know, her name is Noreen, okay? So Noreen loves candy, and she would like 50 pieces of candy. All right, it's a lot of candy. So the question is, how many bags of candy should we fill up to send to Noreen? We got to help Bob out. Bob is very busy. Okay, Bob, hello. Bob is in the kitchen making the candy. So we're going to help figure out how many bags should we send to Noreen, because Bob's got he's busy. He's got stuff going on. So, okay. So if we have 50 pieces of candy, the question is how many bags? So if this is equal to one bag, and that is 10 pieces of candy, what I would like you to do right now is take your base 10 pieces that you have, okay, and see if you can figure out how many bags. All right, so it might take you just, like, you might already know. You might need to use these to figure it out, okay? But what I would like you to do is pause the video and take however long you need to think about that. Maybe it's 10 seconds, maybe it's a few minutes. And then when you're done figuring out what you think it should be, then come back. So boys and girls, I'm going to have to ask you to make sure that you follow my instructions to do the project well. Which means when I ask you to pause the video, you pause it, you work on it the best of your ability, and then you come back when you're ready. Okay, so do that right now. Figure out how many bags, right, of 10, but this is one bag right here, do we need to pack up to send to Noreen, who wants 50 pieces of candy? All right, so do that now and come back. All right, so how did it go? Show me number of fingers. Who thinks that one bag is enough? 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags, 6 bags, 10 bags, 1,000 bags. How many bags? I don't know, you tell me. Well, let's take a look. We have one bag that's got 10 pieces of candy in it. 2 bags, that would make another 10, so that would be a total of 20. 30, that's 30 pieces. 40, 50. All right, so now we have 50. We have 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10, and that makes 50. So how many bags would she need? We would need to send her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. 5 bags. Okay? So that makes sense, right? All right. So, boys and girls, the other way to think about this is, what if somebody asked for, I don't know, like less, maybe like 24 pieces of candy, okay? In fact, it was me that asked for 24 pieces of candy. I love candy, but I don't eat 50 pieces. Okay, so 24. So what should be sent to me? How should the candy be sent to me if we're going to put them in bags? How many bags and how many are going to be left over? Okay, because you can only fit 10 pieces of candy inside a bag. So use your base 10 pieces, all right, to figure out how many bags you would need to send me and how many are still left over that aren't in the bag. All right, and then so pause the video and then come back in a minute. All right, mark it, set, go. All right, so how did you do? Did you actually pause the video and work on it for a minute? That's the expectation, okay? So everyone, if you haven't done it yet, pause the video right now and think about how many bags could you fill with 24 pieces of candy? Well, I know, see, I could fill at least one bag, because that's 10. And then I could fill, let's see, can I fill another bag? That's 20. Could I fill another bag? No, I don't have enough, do I? If there's 20 pieces of candy here already, then I don't have enough to fit, because I only have, how many left? I have 4 pieces left, right? And that's not enough to fill another bag. Okay, so this would be, I would receive 2 bags of candy with 10 in each bag. And I would also receive 1, 2, 3, 4 more pieces. Just kind of like loose. You know, it's just the way it is. It didn't fit. Okay? All right, so let's get to helping Bob. So take out your math packet and turn to the page that says Monday. Okay, and it says page one at the top. So Monday, page 1. All right, boys and girls, I'm sorry. There's one more thing I want to make sure you know how to do, which is base 10 shorthand, which just means drawing. Okay, so if we have 5 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you want to draw that, right? Remember, all you have to do is do this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so this line represents, so this 10 is the same as this. Okay? You just put a little line, that means 10. And then if we had some 1s here, oh, I think I might sneeze. It's coming. Whew, bless me. If we have some 1s, then we just do dots. 1, 2. So this would be 52. Okay? All right, so let's get going on the project. Okay, so let's read and see what it says, and let's get started. So it says, Bob loves to make candy, so he opened his own candy business. All right, boys and girls, if you don't have this in front of you right now, you should go get it. Okay, pause the video, make sure you have it. All right? To sell candy to friends and family. All right, we already know this. In this project, you will help Bob figure out how many bags of candy to send people who order it. He can put 10 pieces of candy in a bag. Good luck. Mr. McAndrew will help you watch the videos. Okay, so here we are. So, Aunt Jeannie, okay, this is all about Aunt Jeannie. It says Bob's Aunt Jeannie wants 80 pieces of candy. Bob puts 10 pieces of candy in each bag. We know that. How many bags of candy should he send to his Aunt Jeannie? Show your work using base 10 drawings. So, how many bags should Bob send to Aunt Jeannie if she wants 80 pieces? I want your answer here, and I want you to show your work here using base 10, like drawing it the way I just showed you. But if you want to use these to help you first, you can do that. So this is the time to pause the video. I'm putting up 2 fingers because there's 2 little lines that you hit. Pause the video, and I want you to work on this and answer the question. When you come back, we'll talk about it. Okay, so what did you get? Raise your hand if you said 5 bags. Raise your hand if you said 10 bags. Raise your hand if you said 80 bags. Raise your hand if you said 8 bags. All right, well, let's see. So 1 bag, I'm just going to draw a line, is 10. That's 10 pieces of candy because there's 10 in 1 bag. Another bag is 20. Let's see, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm at 80. All right, so that's 80. Now, how many bags did I just put down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags. That makes sense. So my answer is 8 bags. Okay, 8 bags would hold 80 because there's 10 in each bag. Okay, all right, let's look at the next one. This is about Henry, and it says, Bob's friend Henry asked for just 43 pieces of candy. Just 43 pieces of candy. That's a lot of candy, Henry. Come on now. How many bags can Bob fill up? Show your work using base 10 drawings. Okay, so try this one. Okay, show how many bags he can fill up all the way. Okay, and put your answer right here. And then it says, how many pieces of candy will not fit in a bag? And then put your answer right there. Okay, you can use your base 10 pieces, or you can just use the drawings. But I do want you to draw it even if you use the base 10 pieces. Okay, good luck. Pause the video and come back when you have tried that out. All right, boys and girls. Did you try it? Or are you just watching the video? If you didn't pause the video, pause it now and go try it out. Okay? So, this is what you might have done. All right, so there's 43 pieces of candy. So you might have drawn one bag that's 10, another bag that's 20, 30, 40. Now, if I draw another bag, that's going to be 50, and that's too much. So I've got 40. Now I need to draw 3 ones. So I'm going to use my green. Although, you know what? Maybe I'll use my yellow, because that's more of what we are doing. I got a yellow in here somewhere. All right, you don't have to do yellow and green. You can just use your pencil. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 pieces of candy right there. Okay, so that shows 43. So how many bags did we fill up? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. And how many pieces of candy will not fit in a bag? Well, you can still see there's 3 ones left over. So I would write 3 pieces. Okay? All right. Let's go to the next side and see what we have to the next page and see what we have. All right. Are we ready? Okay. It says Bob's friend Nora would like 120 pieces of candy. Whew, she is a sugarholic. How many bags should he send Nora? Remember, he puts 10 pieces of candy in each bag. Show your work using base 10 drawings. Okay, so don't worry. It's still the same idea. This is 1 bag, right? That's 2 bags, so that's 20. So how many bags is going to fit, can you fit 120 into? So pause the video, okay? Pause the video and see what you think. Try it out and see what you get. All right, boys and girls. Did you try it? Don't give up too easily. All right, math isn't always supposed to be getting a quick answer. Sometimes math can take a long time to figure out. Take some perseverance and grit, but you can do it. Okay, so let's see. We have 10, 20. Let's count. I'm going to do my drawings. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Whew, that's a lot of bags. How many bags is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 bags. Okay, it's a lot of bags. It's a lot of candy. Okay, so if we look at the next question, it's all connected to this problem. It says, you know what, boys and girls? Let's pause here. Okay, you've done a lot of work today. Tomorrow we're gonna pick this up and finish it. So so we're gonna just draw a line right here. Okay, I think we've done a lot of work, and tomorrow we're gonna pick this up right here, and then we'll help Bob with sending out more candy. All right, boys and girls, thank you for your help. Great job, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.